Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Sunday 20 April 2025. 19 April 2025 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 15, number 28 and number 34. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction number first number 7, number 16, number 35, number 41, number 27, booster number 30. UK 49's tea time prediction number first number 6, number 33, number 13, number 28, number 44, booster number 47. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.